So we'll get the paper stump now. So this is our F blender. Just go over it very gently with the side. Just do it very, very gently. Don't try and rush your bits. It can take a while. If there are any dark bits, don't worry about them at this point. Just go over what you've already done. Circular motion seems to work best on this paper actually. It's looking pretty good already. So get all the dark bits done first, all around the edges, and the darker bits that you can see. And needs a bit of careful defining there, because that's the edge of her face. It's got to be in. I'm not going to go over eyebrows with this, because we'll get a bit more hair in there. There's a darker area there. Just go over it a bit till it appears, then move on. Do a little nose now. This is quite dark. Don't worry about it looking dark because we're going to get the chamois on this after. This is darker here. Just do this little bit here under eyebrow. Kind of meets up with her eyebrow. A bit low there. Just take that off while I see it. Just a little bit low there. Take some off. So. It's the grain of the paper, it's bad workman blames his tools. It's just that I need to get it up a bit. It needs to go a bit of darkness here, up here. Just probably haven't got quite enough. Yeah, that's better. That marks better there. It's going in the right direction there. That's it. Leave the lightest areas out. Don't need to go all over it because it's got 4H on there. It's not like it's got nothing on there. Just do this a little bit now. It's quite a strong little mark here. It's quite dark under here. That needs to come down a bit. Yeah, it's got to go into the corner there. So. Just put some across. Just a little bit on the edge of her lips. Just very gently there. Let's go around that shape that we left. Then it's blended over. It's got some on it. So basically I've just gone for just trying to get the darkest bits of shadow on. And then the other bits of her face, which are also shadowed, there's just much less shading on them, so just blending it over really. It's very dark in there. Just going to do some blending on the edge here. You can see it's a bit of shadow. Meets up with that. Ends about here. Just clean off my stump a bit. Because we're just going to put some over there just to blend it through. Okay, right, let's get the chamois on there. Just going to kind of roll this up a bit into a little pad, I think, because it's quite delicate. And I think it'd be nice to just try and make it into like a little soft tool really, with a clean part here for these. Just around the face. Now, they've all got a bit of colour from the sun, I can see that. The baby does look a lot lighter than the mum, so I really want to kind of get that across really. Just want to take off a bit more wherever I can, just to brighten up her face a bit. Bring a bit of brightness into her cheeks, wipe it off. Yeah, that's good there. I'm not pressing hard here at all, very, very gently. Now I can see where we need to go even darker, and it's just around here. Put some more on with the F. I think the charcoal might be a bit intense for her face, because she's a baby. This is all darker here. Coming, yeah. So, darker here. And we've got a little line there. Put that back. This is darker shading here, coming across here. Not pressing hard, very gently here. But this is darker. And it needs to come down a little bit here. Needs to be darker, softer around her nose. It is darker but it's soft. Very soft there. Just go over this little bit. A bit darker there. So we're just going over the darkest patches again, just to get a bit more definition in there. Darker area there. Darker there. So we need to soften that up. Those marks are there, but they're very slight, so we need to soften that up. That needs to be a bit darker there. Slightly different angle. What we need to do is now go over any lighter bits that we can see. Really, I mean, they have to be a lot lighter, I think. Just like round her eye, I can see that needs to be lighter all through there, coming through there. Again, very, very gently. Very gently indeed. There's a kind of light line coming across here. Then it's kind of coming under the shaping there. That could probably be a little bit darker around our eye actually, but for now we'll leave it there, just to try and get this in. Soften up this line here. A bit of lightness under our eyebrow. Coming from here.